Hello and welcome back to JENIAN Board Games. Well, today I'm really excited because we've got a brand new parcel coming to us, but it's not a board game. So let's have a look and see what I've got today. All exciting stuff. It's only a very thin parcel. It's only about 1 inch thick. Let's have a look what we can do with this. I wonder what it could be. I know it's not a board game. I have a feeling I do know what it is though. And if it is what I think it is, I'm excited. So, the eagerness in which I'm trying to get into this. And it is what I think it is. Have you any idea? Well, there's a nice blank sheet of cardboard. And then there's a new t-shirt. And this gives you a clue on who it is. It's Ayreon Lucasson presents the Ayreon universe. Oh, and inside, exceedingly exciting, this is this. And this is Ayreon universe. And the exciting thing is, look at this. It's an autographed copy. Wow. This is the best of Ayreon live. But also with it, I get a poster. And it's out the 3rd of March, you see? So I've got it early. But what is it? Well, this is what I've been waiting for a long time. A double CD, a double DVD and a Blu-ray. Very, very nice quality. And a nice booklet to go with it. So you go from actual fantasy, those early years. And it's featuring all sorts of people on here, from Robert Soterbrook to Mike Mills to Floor Jansen, Hansi Kirsch from Blind Guardian, Marco Heilter from Nightwish. Oh, this is beautiful. Martella Bovio from Streams of Passion is there. And you've got Annika van Giersbergen over here. She was in The Gentle Storm, which is a beautiful album. It's absolutely fantastic. Look at this. Some beautiful, beautiful pictures and a bit of an introduction to everybody as well. So also got Irene Jansen, Floor's sister. Youth van den Broek, who did the musical bits behind it. And here is the main man, Ayreon Anthony Lucasson, the guy, the maestro behind it all. Really, really, really looking forward to watching this. I am so happy this has come. We have found the seventh sign down in the catacombs. When the 7 points align, they'll lead us all back home. One of my favourite songs. Oh, look at this, all beautiful behind the scenes photos as well, all black and white. Very, very arty. Bit more from the concert itself. A long, 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 long list of people who helped. And then to the back it goes. Just a shame about that. I've got a rip in the actual thing. That's a shame. I'm going to have to go back and ask them about that. It's disappointing. But there you go. That's the unboxing of the Ayreon Universe, the signed edition by Ayreon Anthony Lucasen. Thanks for watching. Speak soon. Bye bye. Subscribe. You will subscribe. Yes, you. Subscribe. Now!